During the summer times, we need to be get hydrated all the time so that we need water time to time to fulfill our needs and requirements so that we can work efficiently and in a full-fledged way. Similarly, the plants also needs to be get hydrated time to time. They need water so that they can work efficiently and make their food process work very fine. During this summer, the overwatering is not the main cause of the plant death, but the lack of water or the underwatering situation is the major cause of the plant death because the plant get dries up due to the lack of water and eventually the plant gets died if not cared properly. The reason behind is that the peak summers have the great temperatures and due to that the evaporation rate is higher. So that's why the water gets evaporate very easily and fastly from the soil. So there is no moisture level around the plant and in the soil. So to fulfill that, in this video we will going to talk about one such trick so that we can have a full amount of water and which will also reduce the daily schedule of watering. We need a bucket full of water. The water can be a tap water or RO water, but avoid using that chlorinated water and the salty water. This might get harm your plants. Now we will gather up all the plants which are going to be get watered. We will put this plant into this bucket of full of water very slowly and gently and eventually to the bottom. We will find that the bubbles are coming out. These bubbles are the air gaps which when we submerge the plant into the water, the air bubbles come out and eventually the water reaches to the air gaps and fulfill their requirement through the bottom. If you will notice that the air bubbles eventually comes out and after some times it has been stopped. This indicates that the plant has enriched full amount of water through all parts of the soil and will fulfill their requirements. This trick can be applied to all of the plants. Even the succulents also can be applied by dipping them through the bottom. But always remember, don't do that regular basis. Do that in approximately once in 10 days or once in a week depending on your temperatures and depending on your climate. Always remember that while doing this trick, you should always analyze the soil first so that the plant doesn't get harmed in such way. When you will analyze the soil, if the soil is dry enough and it needs a thorough watering, then only apply this trick. If the soil is soggy or moist enough, then don't apply this trick. This can cause overwatering situation and eventually the plants also get harmed such way. By doing such techniques, this will also help the plant to get a reduced heat stress or heat stroke technique. This method of dipping the plant into the water must be done only in the morning time. Avoid doing in the evening and the noon because I have experienced that by doing in the noon, it can harm the plant and can burn some of the parts. But instead, you can do in the morning which will benefit your plants in very much. During the evening time, the temperatures are not too high. So it can cause overwatering situation because it will set the water throughout the night. Doing in the morning time will help the plant very efficiently because the plant gets a whole time period of during the noon evening time to get water evaporate properly and will not cause any lack of water situation or the underwatering or the overwatering situation. After submerging, you will find that there are some soil particles or the dried leaf particles come up on the surface of the water. This is a nice cleaning up to the pot also and the soil. While dipping them into the water, we will find that after taking out the leaves and the pot also cleaned very efficiently. All the dirt from the pot and the leaves also get cleaned up, which has been settled since a week or since many days. While doing such activity, we should always find that the water must be cleaned enough. We will apply from the same bucket of water, we can apply 10 to 20 plants and wash them properly and fulfill their water requirement. After that, when we find that the water has been remained, which we can use them to the other plants or the other pots which we can't move them around. After doing such activity, we should keep all the plants aside for some times so that all the water or the excess water gets drained off and will not create any mess situation. And after that, we will put them on their original position so that it will not create any mess. This technique is very useful and will help the plant to get a thorough watering and nice cleaning up their pots, leaves and the soil also. But there are certain disadvantages is that While doing such activity, we should not fertilize them with any of the solid fertilizers such as a vermicompost, cow dung, because after doing such activity, we will find that all the compost get lined up on the surface of the water, which will not benefit not benefit the plant. Instead, we can use any liquid fertilizer by dropping them few drops into the water, and we will submerge the plant so that the plant also get the water content and the fertilizer. That's all for today, guys. If you like such videos, do comment us below and do subscribe to our channel if you're new. If you want us to make any specific topic video, then do comment us below so that we will try our best to make such videos. Thanks for watching.